Are you a blogger, creator, or small business owner struggling to drive consistent traffic to your website? What if I told you Instagram is a powerful source for qualified leads? It's time to transform your Instagram into a traffic-generating machine. Instagram has evolved beyond just pretty pictures. It's now a research hub where users discover products, learn new skills, and find thought leaders. This means people aren't just viewing your content, they're making decisions based on it. The traffic you drive from Instagram is highly qualified. Users who click through have already engaged with your content and found value. They are primed and ready to take the next step with your brand. To truly leverage Instagram, understand its traffic funnel. This guides your audience from initial awareness to taking action. Every piece of content should move them closer to your desired conversion. Start with Reels for awareness, then use carousels to build interest. Stories foster warmth and connection, leading to action through links or DMs. Finally, convert them on your blog or store. Your Instagram profile is prime real estate. Before creating content, ensure your profile is optimized to convert visitors into clicks. A poorly optimized profile limits your traffic potential. Craft a clear bio explaining what you do and for whom. Use one intentional link that guides visitors purposefully. Strategic highlights act as mini landing pages, showcasing your best content or offers. Not all content is created equal for driving traffic. Focus on formats that naturally lead users off platform without being pushy. Your content should make clicking a link feel like a natural next step. Carousels can break down topics, ending with a soft CTA to read the full breakdown on the blog. Reels offer quick teasers, sparking curiosity for more. Stories build anticipation, then deliver the link. Instagram is now a powerful search engine. To get discovered, optimize your content with relevant keywords. This helps new audiences find you, even if they don't follow you yet. Write clear captions that describe your content using natural topic-focused language. Use relevant, targeted hashtags, not hundreds of them. Descriptive alt text also helps the algorithm understand your visuals. Instagram stories are a goldmine for daily traffic. Your most engaged followers spend time here, making it easy to drive consistent clicks. Stories feel personal, increasing the likelihood of action. Create link-ready slides like tap to read the full guide. Use countdown stickers for new content drops. Warm up your audience with teasers before presenting the link as a solution. Intentional link placement is crucial. Don't just drop links randomly. Guide your audience precisely where you want them to go. This also provides clearer data on what's working. Place your primary CTA in your bio. Use UTM tracking to measure link performance. Add clear CTAs to carousels like read the full post via link in bio. Many businesses unknowingly sabotage their traffic efforts. Avoid these pitfalls to ensure your Instagram strategy thrives. Small adjustments can make a huge difference. Never post without a clear call to action. Don't send visitors to slow or confusing landing pages. Avoid using too many links in one post, which overwhelms users. Relying solely on entertainment content won't bring qualified traffic. Focus on value-driven content that aligns with your offerings. Finally, always check your analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. A robust Instagram traffic pipeline isn't accidental. It's built with intention. Optimize your profile, craft compelling content, and strategically place your calls to action. Instagram can become a consistent source of qualified leads. Start by optimizing your bio, refining your next caption, or planning a story CTA. Take these small, consistent steps and watch your blog, website, or store flourish with new engaged visitors.